Hi guys, so I'm just at the not International Center, I'm at the International Women's Day convention. Yeah, it's really busy. I guess they're saying it wasn't as busy as it was before COVID. So I guess because of COVID, there's not much that's going on anymore. So I'm just here and getting a whole bunch of free stuff. Some like goodie bags and stuff in here. So that's exciting. Your girl's wearing her mask because COVID is real. And yeah, so other than that, I'm just here. So I'm going to take you guys along for the ride today. I'm here with my best friend. She's currently testing stuff because they're giving away free food and the whole nine. And yeah, so it should be exciting. But stay tuned and I am going to show some more clips for you guys. Oh my god, you guys, this stuffed plantain was amazing. It was stuffed with ackee and saltfish. I'm definitely gonna try to remake this at home. Also, there were so many cute little seminars on like how to do stuff. So like how to do hair, how to do makeup, how to apply certain products. This seminar in particular was very cute and very fun. She did how to apply everyday makeup look under 20 minutes. And it came out so good and she was super informative and she was just so cute. She's a makeup artist and she sells makeup brushes. She sells makeup. She sells also like home like scented like perfumes and like infusers, I think, or diffusers. I forgot the name of it. I'm gonna link her information below somewhere because you guys need to support. And of course she's a Black sister, so we love that, right? Every day, every day, every day, yeah, yeah, yeah. Every day, every day, lately. Every day, every day, yeah, 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 yeah. Every day, every day, lately. Overall, I had so much fun at this event this weekend, and I can't wait to go back in November to see all the new vendors. But that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching my vlog, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Stay safe.